So if you'd like to see the configuration report, merely click Configuration Report, and it'll take a minute or so, and then hit Create Documentation, File Name, and then it will tell you what the file name of the PDF it's going to generate will be. And then it's actually going to start to communicate via Bluetooth with the transmitter to pull the information into the report. And this report may be helpful if you're turning over electronic documentation to an end user, if you want to keep it for your maintenance and configuration records, if you want to keep something on behalf of your customer. But it does give a written documentation or report that you can send electronically. You'll see that here in just about 22 seconds. If you've used other configurators before, hopefully the Bluetooth configuration seems familiar to you. So this is what the report looks like. It's a little tough to see on the phone, but you've got a PDF on an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper with all the ranges, the tags, and everything that we just put in, how we configured it. So it's all the relevant information you would need for your records in a written or in this case electronic copy as a PDF. So if you do want to send that, all you need to do is hit this arrow button at the bottom. And then you can bring up your email. Select the email you want to send it to with the subject line, FT101. And that's it.